Oh, fin off, Sean. No way. Alright, this is EPL 8294. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. Whoever's on top at the end will pick up the menu. Big shout out to love to Dion. I hope you're watching. Have fun sorting those cards. 5 times, here we go. Good luck. Hopefully this says 19 spots. 1. It does. 2. 3. No mods. 4. Jeez, it might be time to call somebody up. And 5. The winner is Stephen Chen, Aston Villa, 5 times. Congratulations. We're going to random. Let's give it to Chen. Class. United. Here we go. Good luck to all. Wait, where's he going? It's still 40 minutes till it kicks off. Wait, what? Who does Sean think he is? It's 40 minutes away. I'm going to get Feral Friday. Alrighty. Just take care of this. Alright, let's do it. Okay, just nothing in that one. Nice way to start though. Man United picks up a Sancho, 22 of 99, and a Bruno Fernandes. That is alright. Yeah, you're not wrong. Harvey Elliott. Livramento. Buendia. And a pink, Ken Samar for Watford. I wouldn't want to put that pressure on your ringer. Ben Gibson. Listen, I'm sure tonight YouTube can regulate themselves. Ferran Torres red, Sugar Armstrong. That is the 109. Sorry about that. Didn't fix that. Shit. Edouard. A purple Kafal for West Ham and a silver instant impact of Saar for Watford. 97 to 99, so a couple of nice to 99s. Alrighty, so guys, just making sure everyone knows I'm okay and that I didn't choke to death with the aircon. Hobart, Tony, Roger, Ronaldo base. Brilliance of Saka for Arsenal, and a silver DDG for Man U. Man U, bloody earning their stripes at this point. Earning their place as the win team. Wissa. A Scott McTominay widescreen, and a silver Canade for Liverpool. Nice little silver there. Got a big stink book. Weapon. Scorers Club Bamford, Hyper James Maddison. Yanelt. Ken Sema. Just Scorers Club, buddy. Who's your team, Bumper? Bumper's about to be like Western Sydney Wanderers. Nathan Collins. Pinnock. Ramsdale. And the first auto is Patrick Bamford signatures. Cardiff. Oh, they could get in. Silver opponents. Canade. Shout out to Rico Henry. Pedro. Is an impact. Gabriel. And a pink Aaron Cresswell. They're not. I don't think they're as far off as others. Zolas. Emergent Luke Thomas and a Hyper Luke Thomas. Luke Thomas City, maybe. Oh, nice. That's cool. As in just to like catch as many home games and stuff as you can. Oh, sure. Blue Cracked Ice coming up. Kong. And it's Andros Townsend for Everton. Numbered 27/75 and a dual colour Jamal Lewis. Sure. Murray. Shout out to a Ben Mee Red Mojo. Numbered 107/159. Brilliance Timo Werner. Silver for Chelsea. Murray. When was the last time they were in? I feel like it's not that long ago. Diallo, like 5 or so years. Gelhart. It's an impact of Mateta. And a Hyper McCarthy. Yeah. That's kind of what I did when I went to America. I just saw as much sport as I was in town for. And wrestling. Barkman. A blue Dean Henderson Man U. Numbered 272 or 340. Yeah, so that's not too long ago, 4 years. Wissa. But I definitely did breaks with Cardiff in them, so it must have been recent. Ice cream finale. Silver Cathal. I believe 2 autos left. We haven't seen anything too amazing yet. Oh no, just one auto left. Does that mean we've seen both autos and they're both stickers? Jensen, we've seen one. Jack Clark. A blue Little Ollie Watkins for Aston Villa. Silver Pookie, that is 70/340. Geez, that'd probably be enough. More that. A Red Mojo, Ben Gibson. DCL, that is number 138159. Oh, yes. Looks like another auto coming up. Samare, come on, be somebody good. Just big auto. Canos. Quehi. An auto for Crystal Palace. How about you? Silver. Consa. Suma. Diallo. Oh, Jesus. Wobie and a hyper, Bowen. Joe Roden. Emergent Reece James and a silver John McGinn. Rookie of Nagakia. Blue Thiago Silva and a William Trusty-Kong dual colour, to 340 on the silver. Come on, one last hurrah. Canos. Martinelli for Arsenal. A red of Adam Messina for Watford. Silver Fabinho, the red number 2, 199 for Watford. And finally, a rookie Armstrong, Giannoulis, Anderson, a Todd Cantwell Brilliance, and a silver Joe Willock, and that is EPL 8294 done.